What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making a New Orleans style shrimp po' boy. We hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. For this recipe, we're going to need shrimp, French bread, a tomato, lettuce, pickles, mayo, ketchup, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, Louisiana hot sauce, eggs, flour, and butter. We're going to start by seasoning our shrimp with seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then we're going to mix. Add 2 eggs and mix. Add a generous amount of Louisiana hot sauce, mix, and refrigerate for 15 to 30 minutes. While our shrimp is marinating, we're going to start on our breading. Add about 2 cups of flour to a container or bowl and season with seasoned oil, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Mix. Now it's time to coat our shrimp. We're going to start by shaking off the excess wet batter and placing our shrimp into our flour. Then we're going to shake until evenly coated. We're going to heat up our oil to 350 degrees, shake off any excess flour, and drop in our shrimp and allow them to fry for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. While our shrimp are frying, we're going to cut our French bread, brush it with melted butter, and bake for about 5 minutes or until lightly toasted. Now that our French bread is lightly toasted, we're going to begin dressing. We're going to start by spreading mayo on both sides. Add ketchup. Add shrimps. Add tomatoes, pickles, and lettuce. And there you have it, a New Orleans style po' boy. I should say corner store edition. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know that them MFers be cooking.